Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have right here the Apple Watch, and of course this will work on any Apple Watch including the latest versions, Apple Watch 10, 11, and of course the Ultras, the FEs, you name it. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys to adjust today, which I'm going to show you to do, is to adjust the brightness. So just in case you need to adjust the brightness, go ahead and click on the digital crown. Next, go to your settings. Now, once you're in your settings as seen here, you should be at the top. Go all the way down. You're going to go to the option that says display and brightness. Tap, and of course, here you go. You can actually adjust the brightness from here. As you can see, there's a bunch of features. So go ahead and you can tap on the brightness slider. And you can use it to decrease, as you see here, or to increase. Now, of course, you can do higher or you can reduce it. The choice is yours. So go ahead, guys, and adjust the brightness in accordance. Remember that brightness will affect your battery life. So do keep that in mind as you adjust the brightness. All right. So that's how to do the brightness on your Apple Watch. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.